Hi everyone, this is my quick reflection after today's session on servant leadership. So, before this session, my understanding of servant leadership was quite simple. I thought it might be helpful, kind, or supportive as a leader. But through today's activity, I realized it goes much deeper. So, servant leadership is about putting others first, listening with empathy, and creating an environment where people can grow and succeed together. The principle that touched me the most was listening. This stood out to me because it really connected with my own experience. I recognized moments where I could have listened more carefully, shown with more patience, or given more credit to others. Leadership is less about control and more about service. Going forward, I would take one concentrate step this week as a servant leader. My action will be to practice active listening, including each and every word what they say in my team conversations or in my professional journey or in my academic journey as well. So, this will encourage someone by recognizing their effect or create space for others where they can share their ideas as well. So it may be a small step, but I believe these small actions are what make leadership more meaningful. The reflection has reminded me that servant leadership is not just an idea, but a daily practice. It's about who I choose to be in every interaction, someone who serves, supports, and uplifts others. Thank you.